Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to transpose data in Excel, which means converting horizontal data into vertical. In other words, converting rows to columns and columns to rows, vice versa. So there are three methods of transposing data in Excel. Now I will show you the first method. First, you need to select your data, press Ctrl C on your keyboard, and then select anywhere in your workbook and right click on it and click on paste special. Now you need to select this transpose option and click on OK. So this is one method of transposing your data in Excel, but this method is completely static. It is not dynamic. What I mean about static is whenever you try to update your values here, the values will not get updated here, right? So this is a static method. So now let us look at one more method. So let me write here method 1, static. Now let us look at method 2, is a dynamic method. So first you need to select the area where you want to drop the numbers and values here. So once you select this area, go to the formula bar and use this formula, transpose. And in the place of array, you need to select this data, close the bracket and hit on enter. So here you can see we have we have transposed our data, right? So this is second method, and this method is dynamic method. So let us say I want to update this value here. So here you can see the value has got updated in this cell, right? So this is the second method of transposing data using the formula transpose. Now method 3 is again a dynamic method. So, but this is something different. Here in this method, we won't be using any formula, but we will be using a text to get our to change the values to transpose our data. So here is the method. First, I'm using the text. I'm using tr, which is nothing but transpose, and I'm using the cell name here. So the first cell name is A1, right? So here I'm using A1, and again tr is nothing but transpose. This can be anything. It's up to you what you want to use. And the next cell name is B1, right? So here I am adding B1. Now what I will do, I will select this and I will simply drag this till here, right? Now, now you need to press Ctrl H, and here you need to replace tr with equal to, right? So here you need to replace tr with equal to. Now click on replace all. So here you can see all the values got replaced. All the rows have been converted into columns and columns have been converted into rows. So this is also a dynamic method. So let us change the value of O1. So here you can see the values have got updated here. These are the three methods to transpose your data in Excel. And if you have any questions, then please put it in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Excel.